Hi, my name is Dr. Cordie Williams, Health from Within Family Wellness Center. And I'm really excited because today is your 5th health hack. I hope you're tuning in every Monday at 3 o'clock because we're always going to bring something different to you that can change your life, change a family member's life, change a church member's life, whoever, guys, neighbors. We're always out to get the message out, okay? And every week it's going to be something different. It's going to be something refreshing. Today, actually, we're filming on a Wednesday. This will come out on Monday. And today is our Patient Appreciation Day. Every month we do a special event. You know, we're probably doing 3 or 4 events a month. So really tune into the Facebook, stop by the office anytime you want. And I'm going to quit advertising now, but we would love to see you anytime you want to come by. Our office hours are a little funky, but just look on the front door. You can find them on Facebook and stop on in. And if you stop in on one of the special days, you'll get some amazing free organic food and we'll probably have a great message for you. So today what we're going to discuss is going to be the who, what, when, where, why, and how of an adjustment. So the who, what, when, where, why, and how of an adjustment. So who should get adjusted? Well, I mean, as a holistic chiropractor and holistic doctor, I mean, everybody. You know, that's what I'm going to say. I'm going to say every single person you know, your friends, your family members, people that are 1 year old, 2 years old, 3 years old, 4 years old, 5 years old, all the way up into their 90s. I mean, we have people from the womb to the tomb is our philosophy here, okay? So I adjust babies, I adjust moms, right? I adjust pregnant moms. I mean, we're always looking, in any phase of life that people go through, there's never a wrong time to get adjusted or get checked. I mean, I can remember just last week, my wife came in and somebody that she knows was engaging with her on Facebook and kind of asking her some questions, and they were nervous or scared about having their child adjusted. And it's the safest thing you could possibly do. You know, if I told you my liability insurance, I think it's what, like $1,400 or something for the year. It's like some insane thing where a medical doctor's starts at like $1 million. I mean, starting, that's how much their policy is. I think it costs them 200 grand a year and their overhead. I don't even know, right? But it's significantly over $1,400 a year. I mean, so just think about that. Toss those numbers around in your brain and think about, wow, so this guy's liability insurance is like $1,400. His corporate insurance might be a little bit more, but that doesn't even like scratch the surface on a $80,000, $100,000, $1 million policy. I mean, and it gets higher as you start getting into some of these specializations like surgeons and stuff like that. When we adjust a little baby, all we're gonna do is take our little index finger right here. We're gonna set it right here up under the ear. This is the atlas bone, or I like to call it the brainstem bone, because it's a diamond-shaped bone that houses the brainstem and the spinal cord. So right up here, we're just going to take our index finger and not even the pressure of a penny. And you can see the baby. What comes over the baby is the baby just relaxes into it. Kind of like he just knows that your hand's supposed to be there and that bone's supposed to be in the right place. I actually had the pleasure of going to a patient's house on Monday or Tuesday of this week, earlier this week, and adjusting their newborn. This little cutie pie was like, he was like 2 weeks old. And he was all, you know, he had like all the, you know, his hair was all sweaty and stuff. And he's doing this. He looks like a little squirrel or raccoon. He's all cute and everything. And I got to adjust him. And he was having kind of seemed like he was a little congested in his system. Right after he adjusted, you know, he let out a big number 2. He let us all know. I mean, he totally relaxed. And that's what happens to babies. And that's what's going to happen to you. So even if you're expressing health, as I like to call it, I never like to say somebody's sick because I don't really believe in that. Anytime your system is challenged and you start expressing things, it's because your immune system is weakened. Well, wouldn't it make sense if your immune system is weakened or compromised? Wouldn't it kind of make sense to get to the cause and get to the source of that? Well, where is your immune system? What controls your immune system? Your brain and your spinal cord. So your brain runs your immune system, runs every single system in your body. So if I put that bone in the right place, that's going to make sure that God's power, the expression of life that comes from your brain, science calls it inborn intelligence or innate intelligence, that's going to make sure that that intelligence can get throughout the body, go out over the nerves to every cell, tissue, and organ, so you can be 100% of you. All right, so that's the who. Now, what's the what? The what of the adjustment? right? Like, what is an adjustment? Well, an adjustment is when a bone is out of place and it's compromising the integrity of your central nervous system or all the systems in your body. So what it is we call the phenomenon, and science calls the phenomenon, subluxation. If you think of your spinal column and the spinuses, the little bones that kind of stick out, right? Like if you were touching somebody's back, these are the bones that stick out that you can actually touch in the center of what you call your spine, right? What we find and what science shows is that those bones, because of chemical, physical, emotional stress, they'll move out of place and they'll start to crush or impair life, the life flow within your system, within your body. And that's a subluxation. And there's several different ways that we can detect and locate and correct that. But when that bone's out of place, we got to make sure that expression can be restored. So the adjustment is the restoration of that life expression to make sure that it's expressing at 100%. Now, the when. Well, I kind of covered the when. I cheated a little bit and I covered it a little bit under the who, right? But the when is going to be all the time. I mean, every single day. So if you've been sick and suffering and sick and tired of being sick and tired, and you've been that way for 10, 15, 20, 40, 60 years, I mean, the time is now. The time is now to get that restored. We need to do it right now. That's the when. As far as like frequency of when you should go, depends on what you have going on. So like we can't just guess. I mean, there's these places out there, and you know, I call them like relief care shacks, right? It's kind of like McDonald's. You go in there and they give you the number 3 with fries, right? Little rack 'em, crack 'em. Oh, right here, doc. Doc, right here in my glute, by my buttocks area. That's where it hurts, right there. Well, where's the cause of that issue? I want to get to the cause. I don't want to just treat the feeling. So the when is right now. The when is going to be, let's get to the cause. Let's start working on it. It's going to be different for everybody. I mean, everybody's going to need something different. But let's kind of be scientific about it. So let's look inside your system, see what's going on, and we have a revolutionary technology that allows us to do that. We can scan all the nerves, find out where there's major blockages, and then we're going to use something called an advanced biostructural digital x-ray that's going to show us where those nerves are impaired and where the inflammation or the life flow can't get through to the organ. And that's really important to know, because if we're just doing a rack 'em, crack 'em, make you feel good, you're going to feel good in the short term, but long term nothing changes with your health, wealth, finances, relationships, and that's what we're concerned about. If you're throwing up, what I always tell my patients, or what I tell anybody, is get into the office. I got garbage cans. Let's restore that life flow up here at the brainstem, okay? I mean, I just heard a story the other day that my niece had something going on, and her fever was pretty high, and one of my dear friends and colleagues adjusted that first bone, and my niece threw up. And moments later, this high fever that was really high dropped, completely dropped, and eventually went away. If my sister-in-law didn't know what she knows, right, about the principle of innate potential in your body, what would she have done? She would have ran to a medical doctor, gotten a bunch of medications and drugs, and what that would have done is destroyed all the gut flora in my niece's stomach. And my niece is adorable. Her name's Demi. She's like so cute, right? Just adorable. So the next thing that we're going to discuss is where. Well, here, of course, you silly rascals. We want you to come here. We're going to get you checked. We're going to get that life flow restored. And if you don't live in the state of California, or, you know, I always generally 30 to 45 minutes is probably what's good for most people as far as a commute time. I mean, we have people that live, you know, 5 minutes down the road. But if it's anything outside about 40 minutes, I'm going to refer you to one of my friends, one of my colleagues. You know, we have all sorts of clinics. I like to think that we're the best, but we can find somebody for you that's comparable, okay? Why? Why should you do it? Well, hopefully on the who, what, when, and where so far, you already know the answer to that question. You should do it because it's going to create 80 to 120 years of quality life. Because like I said in one of the other health hacks, you know, we have a decision, we have a choice. Even not making a choice is still a choice. So what road are you going to take? Are you going to take the road less traveled that's maybe not congruent with the medical medical community? Are you going to take the road less traveled that maybe says I don't need drugs and surgery, that I don't need to be in fear or false evidence appearing real, that I'm going to get cancer like my brothers and sisters did, or like my grandparents did, or like my mom and dad did? You don't have to live in fear, guys. So the why is because there are people counting on you. The why is because you're going to save in the long run with medications you'd possibly be taking if you didn't, with surgeries that are unnecessary in a lot of cases. The why is because there are people that love you and count on you every day, and you owe it to them more than you owe it to yourself to be there and show up. And then the how. Well, the how is really simple. You make an appointment, okay? You make an appointment. You dial 760-385-8352, which probably takes you all of 10 seconds. And maybe you have, if your finger dexterity is not good, maybe it's 25 seconds, but it's not that long, right? And then we offer you this awesome promotional gift and blessing, which is a $700 preloaded gift card, covers your exam, your consultation, your results. We get you checked. We get your whole family checked. And if you call right now, I won't even charge the $40 administrative fee that we typically have to charge, okay? I'll do it for you. We'll bless your whole family with getting checked for free, okay? God bless you. Have a great day, and I look forward to talking to you and seeing you next week. Take care.